I'm sharing a video on that. We'll create a student database. For that, we need to take a help of using a table from our Microsoft Word. Here we observe a blank space. I just opened my Microsoft Word on my screen, and then we'll work on that page. So let's get started. For creating a table, we need to design a table. For that case, our left top here, the insert tab is a table. It's a two option, insert table or the draw table. Draw table, your cursor will turn into a pencil and you have an option to draw a table according to your choice. But for the first option, insert a table, I'm selecting just insert a table. Okay, number of row and column I'm selecting here, and automatic the table will be created. Okay, now the number of row and columns here, that is my table. Okay, if I need to increase the number of column, just move around your cursor, you get a plus symbol. Just click on the plus symbol, one row will be added. Similar case. To increase the number of row, just take your cursor and click on the plus symbol. Now this is a table. This is a simple table design. Okay, if you need to delete the entire table, just select the table and delete table. Okay, I'm scrolling up. Here you observe a table that is designed as a student database. Now this database, I will show how we can create easily. To create this table, student database, we need to design the table with this information. Here we see the headings like the student registration number, their name, email, address, course, and score. That means 6 column and rows. Okay, to creating a table, I go to the insert, then tables, 6 number of columns and few number of row. To designing our database, our table is already done. Now we see the title. One important note, the right side we see the score, one of our columns. In score, under the score column, here is 2 partition for the first meet and the second meet. First meet and the second meet, that means one column has 2 distribution. First distribution is score for the first meet and another course score distribution for the second meet. That means one column is divided into 2 partitions. When we need to divide one specific column or the row, just you quickly tap on the splitting cells. Splitting the cells. Okay, I will show you. Before that, I'm just copy paste few of the title. Just copy and paste into our new design table. Okay, here we see the score and here is a 2 partition. That means score 1 column has a 2 partition. To make this design, I just take my cursor on the specific column while I need to apply the design. The right corner, last column, I take my cursor, then I select the layout tab. Layout tab, I need to click on the split cells, the middle option from the large box, merge box. Here is the split cells. Layout, then I go to the split cells. Okay, here is a score is a 1 column and the second column will be created for first meet distribution score and the second meet score. That means 2 row and 2 columns we have to take as an input. I'm selecting here number of 2 and number of row is 2 and 2. Just okay. Okay. We see this cells is plated. But the score, here we see the score is only placed as a one cell. So I'm just merging my first row columns. Merging. Yes, now the design is done. Okay, I'm typing here. Make it a bold. Okay, I'm alignment as middle. This one is first mid. Another for second mid. Here we see the score. The cells are distributed. Okay, all the rows. The design is complete. Now the cells, for placing the score, I'm splitting rest of the cells. Just click the cells from our layout, split the cells. Here is number of 2 columns and number of 5. That is already fixed because we applied our splitting the cells on the number of 5 rows. And how many columns? 2 columns. 1 column for the first bit and second column for the second bit score. So 2 number column and 5 number row. Then okay. Okay, it's already done. Now I'm taking all the information. To save our time, I'm just copying and paste. Okay, copy, then paste. Okay, I'm just decrease the font size. You also increase and decrease the height and width of the column. Now the design is already done. So in that way, easily we create a student database. Today is all about this video. Thank you very much for watching my video.